Hi, I'm Savion Schaefer, and I'm doing a bike check on a Diamondback Joker 2009. I got S&M pedals 101, Haro crank, exposure rocket sprocket, hula hoop primo back rim, double Allen wrench. It's pretty loud. 9-tooth and 25. I got Diamondback front hub and rim, Diamondback tread, and the back is a Haro street and dirt tread. Handlebars are Diamondback, Cane Creek bearings and head, and Diamondback grips, and that's it.
Alright, moving on to the 2010 FBM. Stock cranks, Odyssey PC twisted pedals, Mirko back rim, Haro front rim, Sombrosa bars, We the People peg in the rear, don't know what kind of peg it is in the front, Stolen 25 tooth front sprocket, 9 tooth rear sprocket, FBM stem, FBM headset, low-tech grips, primo. Let's see, don't know what kind of seat that is. That's pretty much it for those two bikes, and then everyone's seen that one, so that's our bike check. See ya.